Scalability is one of the most important feature in any SCADA platform, and Ignition does it really well. Here I have an example of a scalable project that allows me to monitor and control different energy meters across different sites. So here I have configured on this map component different sites, and for example if I open one of it, it shows me these four energy meters that are connected on this site specifically. So from here I can turn on and off the energy meters. I can see the statistics. So if I click on diagnostics, it will show me the real-time values that are coming from the device itself. For the demonstration purpose now, I am using the simulator to show these values, but when they are connected to the device, they show the real-time values. Here I have the button to go directly to the web page of this device, and that is actually the IP address, like this one. So the first idea that comes into mind to configure these devices, you have to go into the gateway and you have to create new device. But using Ignition, that gives you more power using the scripting. You can create your own UI platform which allows you to create and configure different devices. So for this purpose, I created this dashboard that allows me to configure different devices, and I can assign these devices to different sites. So here for an example, if I want to create a new device, right now it is suggesting me the next device should be of this name. So for example, I change this name to number 10. I can assign a new IP address. I will set the port number. Then here I will select the lease. Lease is actually the site name. So for example, I select this one, pen, and the light count. So these details are specific to this device. And if I click create device, it will show me a pop-up with a success message that device created successfully. So now if I go into the lease view and if I select this site, here I have a new device, pen 10. And from here I can see all the details. Now the most powerful feature is that if I want to change the IP address or to make this device disabled like this, and if I want to change the IP address to 86, I will just change it here in the table component and I will click on update. Now just to make sure that this device has been created and now it is in disabled mode, I will go to the gateway, and if I refresh the page, here you can see. So this device has been created and the current status of this device is disabled because here I made it disabled. So if I make it enable and update the device, and now it is in connecting state. Now, for example, if I want to change the location of this device because it has been moved physically, so if I click here, if I select this device to move on this location, if I click on update, and here we go. So this device is now in the new location. In the same way, I can create new locations. So here I have already created a couple of them. I assign the latitude, longitude so that they can be easily shown on the map view. And this pen count shows actually how many devices I can connect to this specific site, what will be the subnet, the gateway, and all these details. And from here, I can remove this site. If I want to create a new site, I will create from here, from the top. And this is how I created this project, which is implemented right now on site.